Benefits of detoxifying your body are vast. When we look at Clean Slate, we focus on the simplicity and the complexity in that simplicity. So Clean Slate will very simply, safely, passively, and effectively remove environmental toxins from your entire body. So why is this important? We are simple in philosophy. Cure the cause. Remove what's causing the problem. Don't look to add stuff that you can try to cover up symptoms, whether you're talking inflammation or you're talking what your issue might be. Look at it from a perspective of figuring out what the etiology is, what the cause of these issues are, and address those. So when you can identify that, then you can build a foundation. When looking at a wellness approach, like we continually hit on, if you don't address what's causing your problems first, you can never really get rid of them. And that's what makes Clean Slate unique and why it's so special.